Hey, what is up guys? My name is Rahul and in this video we'll be looking at a challenge called It Is My Birthday. I sent out 2 invitations to all my friends for my birthday. I know if they get stolen because the 2 invitations look similar and they even have the same MD5 hash, but they are slightly different. So what I'll be telling you what this means. I'll be opening up the link in the new window. Okay, so what this challenge wants me to do is that it wants us to upload 2 PDF files such that the contents of the 2 PDF files must be different, but the resulting hash should be same. So if you do not know what hashes are, I'll tell you. So hash is a function that maps data from any arbitrary length to a fixed length. So for example, if I set the length to be 8, so whatever string I enter, it will produce a random fixed value. So for example, whenever I enter an A, it will always produce this value. It is just an example. It will always produce this value of 8 length. It will always produce, if I enter in B, it will always produce this of 8 length. And but the catch here is, here I can have unlimited data, but here the resulting hash will be of 8 length only. So the maximum, so there is a chance that any two values over here will result into same hash, because here the pool is really big, we are infinite, but here the pool is of fixed length. All right, so for example, if I say that the resulting numbers can be between A to F and 1 to 0 to 9, so how many numbers can there be? So from A to F there can be 6 numbers, and from 0 to 9 there can be 10 numbers. So there is a restriction that here there will be a fixed number of values, but here there can be unlimited number of values. So there will occur a chance when any two values or more than two values will produce the same hash. So for example, if I enter in HDF, it might produce this hash for instance, and hence this is called a collision. So what the thing is that the contents are different in the file, but the resulting hash is the same. So this is known as a collision. So luckily what happened was, in MD5 scientists were and researchers were able to find in collisions. So let's see MD5 collisions in MD5, and it took me to a page called crypto.stackexchange.com. And if we look towards the end, you can see that, if you can see that these two, they are different. See, you can see 8 is replaced with 0 and B is replaced with 3. It will produce a different, it should have produced a different hash, but it did not, and it produced the same hash. As you can see, this is the hash. So this is what we are looking for. So what I did was I copied this and I copied this, but for some reason the hash came out to be different. So what I did was I went towards the end and I downloaded these. These are messages, these are .bin files, and when they run, when we five the MD5 of them, it will produce the same hash. So let us download it. Save file, save file. So let's move downloads, message. Now we have them. We have message1 and message2.bin. So let's move, because we need to upload PDF files. So let's move message1.bin to message1.pdf, and let's move message2.bin to message2.pdf. So let us upload it. So message1 and message2, and let us upload it. And as you can see, we get the flag for the challenge. So thank you guys, this is it for the video. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, please press on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.